Let's go. It's showtime. We're on the way to the bomber field, boys. This is it. And we're off. Oh, I added 2 lanes. Oh, and she stalled out. We made it. We made it to the bomber field, baby. That's my P-47 right there. All right, y'all. Today is the last day to party of the year, baby. This is it. With the FUTABA 16-9Z P-47 Razorback 3D 32MZ 69Z. This is 101 32MZ. Hey, what's up, everybody? 2023 Bomber Field. Bunker Buster, baby. Oh, look what I got here with me. FUTABA 16-9Z, my 32MZ's daughter. Today is the Bomber Field 2023 Airplane Show. Yeah, P-47 Razorback, baby. Yeah. Look at that prop. I painted it just like my old Yak 3U Steadfast. And she is ready to go, ready to kick some butt. I just got to do some little work done. I'm going to put a washer on this hatch right on the screw to tighten up the hatch because it wouldn't tighten no more. So I glued the canopy a little bit, trying to take good care of her, man. Trying to take good care of her. Heads up, the song is playing on the background because I don't want any more to copyrights. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go around to get away from the song. Let's check this out over here. So FUTABA 16-9Z, welcome to the Bomber Field, baby. Woo! 2023, yeah. And I'm glad the Super Mario Brothers movie has returned. And here we are, baby. This is it. Today is the last day to party of the year of 2023. Airplane Show, Bomber Field, Bunker Buster, baby. We got everybody here. They go my favorite jet, BVM. You know, F-86 Sabre from BVM. It's something else, the other brand. I forgot what other brand. And there it is. Look at that. Look at that color scheme. Black and orange, baby. Yeah, look at the ribbon. Look at the 16-9Z. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look. That's how I roll, boys. I don't stop. Never stop. Never stop. You gotta keep going. There's the P-51 Mustang straight go with a Comb 230. Comb 230, baby. Oh, there it is. Comb 230. This is the plane I want right here. $13,000 plane. The team CA Shaw is James Hillis in the house. Oh yeah, I want to fly this one day, man, with a Comb 230. Yeah. See the real exhaust? That's from the Comb 230, baby. That's right, that's right. Still B2 bomber, twin turbine is back. There it is. Look at that. Woo! The James Hiller's Jets. They go to Team CHR right here. We got Legend Hobby. That's right. We are the Legend Hobbies, guys. That's right, Legend Hobbies. www.legendhobby.com. Woo! Yeah, there we go. Airplane show day. There's Mike Liable's plane, B-24 Liberator, P-47. Oh, yeah. They go TV of Adventure. Oh, yeah, TV of Adventure. There we go. There we go. They go B-17s. We got B-17s. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. Now, they need to do all this right here with all electric starts only. And they go Chris Dooney. We got Chris Dooney in the house. What's up, Chris Dooney? What's up, Chris?
How you doing, man?
Good to see you, Mike.
Good to see you, buddy.
Mike Liable.
What's up?
Good to see you, Mike. We got Mike Liable in the house. Yeah, Chris Dooney in the house. All right, everybody here. This is it. We're doing it big, boys. We are doing it big. They go to RV4 right there. Look at that. Oh, there go Wally's plane. There's our Legend Hobby tent. And I got the shirt right here. We are the Legend Hobby, baby. All right, all right. We got all this room right there, all the planes down there. We got everything. All right, let's go to the clubhouse. Let's go to the hangar real quick. Let's go to the hangar for the 16IZ. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels and keep supporting me. I promise you, I am doing it big, boys. I'm doing it big. We do this every year. FUTABA USA, baby. High tech, 50th anniversary from 1973. It's been 50 years of high tech. 50 years. Wow. That was right before I was born. I was born in 1986. Now I'm 36 years old now. And my birthday coming up in 3 months. You know how I'm going to be? I'll be 37 years old. I'll be 37. Getting close to be 40 years old, man. Did you know that? I'm getting close to be 40 years old. Wow. Time flies. Man, if I had, there's our house. There's our house. And the 16IZ is coming to see it. The 32MZ was here last year. Now, 16IZ. There it is. Oh my God, guys. I'm getting nervous. This is for the Super Mario Brothers movie. Princess Peach, baby. That's right, all about Princess Peach. Gotta be very quiet. Hey, pretend it's a 14MZ, right? When I turn on the switch, when the light turns red, all the planes gonna start up itself. Pretend that. Oh yeah, there's Star Raider. There's the ME-60 auto store. Go looking black. Oh yeah, U.S. Navy. I'm gonna take that home with me. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to wake them up? Super Mario Brothers movie, 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 Super Mario Brothers movie. Shit, they woke up. Uh-oh. Oh my God, the light just turned red. Oh, you ready? We gotta run. We gotta run. Oh, Scott, wait. Oh.
Like, subscribe.
Tomorrow's really, tomorrow's really, tomorrow's really. Blue plane, green plane, orange plane, blue truck.